I'm going to demonstrate a case on 2 central incisors in which I do direct composite. So first what I do a mock-up on the patient. Then I will put my retractors and minimally prep the tooth. And then another tooth. Then I'll put my separators. Any Teflon if you want to choose, or if you want to just cut your Toffelmeier. And then I etch the tooth. I finish one tooth and then I will start the other tooth, tooth by tooth. Then I put the bond and I cure. And then I apply my composite, just freehand, inside the template, and I press them together. I clean the excess with a probe and I let cure. Make sure that the central line of the template will be aligned with the midline of the face of the patient. You clean around the edges with the knife edge bare, and then you go to do the second tooth. Press. While you're pressing, you're breaking the bubbles. You clean around the edges and you cure. And then you use any polishing disc, trim the incisal edge at the back, and here it's all ready. Do not touch the surface will be completely shiny, and the patient will be smiling and happy. Only took 25 minutes and we've got a happy patient. Thank you very much.